a hard drive and hard drive caddy. So this is our hard drive, and this is a hard drive caddy to replace the optical drive. Now you could also use a 2.5-inch solid state drive. So to start, what you want to do is eject the optical drive. That way it makes it easy for us to access it later on. So now let's turn the laptop over, and I will just remove the battery from this laptop. So most laptops have a screw that holds the optical drive in place. So what we're going to do is remove this screw that holds the optical drive in place. So screw is removed. And now sometimes you may have to remove the bottom cover to gain access to the screw that holds the optical drive in place. But for this one, we didn't have to. So it's just a matter now of pulling the optical drive out. And as you'll notice, the faceplate or bezel of the optical drive is specific to the laptop. So what we're going to want to do is transfer the faceplate onto our drive caddy. And also you're going to notice that there is a bracket at the back which was used to hold the optical drive in place. So for that one, we're going to transfer that over to the back of the caddy. It has the same screw hole locations. So now let us transfer the faceplate or bezel over to the drive caddy. So to begin with, there is a tab over here that holds the faceplate. This is the main tab. So what you want to do is use like a flat screwdriver or a flat implement to push onto that tab. And this is the reason why I asked you to eject the optical drive in the very beginning, is so that you're going to have access to that portion. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the faceplate or bezel. Let's just set this aside. And as I mentioned earlier, you want to push on that with a flat implement or screwdriver head. I know you can't see it from that angle, but so what we did was we pressed on the tab, and that released it from the front of the optical drive. So now it's just a matter of inserting it into the caddy. So align the tabs to the front of the caddy, and then they just pop into place. So here you go. So here's your caddy with the faceplate or bezel. The next thing we want to do is transfer the back of the bracket from the optical drive onto the caddy. So what we want to do is remove the two screws over here. So this is what it would look like once you transfer the bracket from the back of the optical drive onto the drive caddy. So now to install your 2.5-inch hard drive, all you have to do is slide it in. Okay. And again, you can also use a 2.5-inch solid state drive and secure the drive onto the back of the caddy with the 4 screws provided. So just secure it over here, and then once you're done with the 4 screws, using a screwdriver, you could now insert it into the laptop. So let's just get the laptop and just assume that you put the 4 screws to secure the drive onto the caddy. Once we've secured the hard drive onto the back of the caddy with 4 screws. You could also use a solid state drive. Then we can now insert it into the laptop and then reattach the screw which we removed earlier using a screwdriver. Once you attach the screw, reinsert the battery, and you're ready to use your laptop with the second drive. Thank you.